What do you do in camping? What is camping? Who can tell me? So today we are going on a camp, and we'll be setting up our camp next to the river like this.
I already got a tent in my house.
The first thing is we are going to set up a tent. So we collect all the wood and then we set up a campfire. And if you want, now you can open your snacks and you can eat it. In the forest, you can see so many tall trees. So that's our tent that we have set up already. Do you like to go into the water? Do you want to play in the water? Look at the mountain there. Crockety, 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 crock.
Temperature, rosy lips.
Very good.
Very good, Kamala. Activity time. Yes, this is the campfire.